how are you doing today? Welcome back to another episode of Quarantine Cooking and Chill. On today's episode, we are going to be making a very simple yet delicious recipe of catfish in pepper stew. With the combination of red bell pepper, habanero pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, we are going to be able to achieve this recipe. I'm not going to be adding tomatoes to it like the regular Nigerian stew we all know, because I just need a little bit of heat this isolation season. Well, without further ado, we're gonna get cooking. I remain your one and only favorite boy, Adeo Osheni. Come on with me, let's make something special and delish. To wash the catfish, I am going to be dropping alum inside water with the fish. And I will scrub the body of the fish with a lemon, just like I'm doing in this video right now. The reason why I'm using the lemon is so that the slime would be off the fish. Alum does a great job too, but with the aid of lemon, it gets off faster. I am going to soak my fish with lemon for 10 to 15 minutes. So half of a lemon should do the trick, and you just let it sit. You just let your fish sit in the water for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, I am going to be rinsing my fish out of the lemon water. At this point, my fish is clean already. It is slime free. I'm just paranoid. That's why I'm washing it all over again. So I am going to be adding hot water into the fish so it can soak. This is just to make the fish a little bit tender because it is catfish. Like I said, I'm still paranoid about it. That's why I'm using hot water on my fish. And I will just let it sit in for 5 to 7 minutes. So as you can see, water is cloudy, so that's how you know your fish is really clean once the water is cloudy. And I'm going to be adding the fish into ice so it can stop cooking. So it is going to be sitting inside ice water for 5 minutes, and I'm going to be transferring into a pot. At this point, I am adding salt and seasoning to taste, and I'm adding 2 cups of water. Cover and bring to a boil. While waiting for the fish to be boiled, we are going to blend our pepper. Like I said, we are only using red bell pepper, habanero, onion, ginger, and garlic for this recipe. So I used 6 red bell peppers, 10 habanero, and 2 onion, 1 red onion and 1 white onion. So you have to coarsely blend your pepper. Now this is the ginger and garlic. I am adding it into another blender jar because I want it to be smoothly blended. So just give it a very nice run and it's going to be. So go ahead and chop off half of an onion bulb. Please make sure you don't chop off your hand while you are doing this. You gotta give it the professional, the professional chopping and all that. And the slow-mo just for the extra, because I'm extra. In a pot, you're going to add some vegetable oil or canola oil or olive oil as you see fit into the pot. And you're going to wait for it to heat up. Then you're going to add your chopped onion into it and give it a nice stir. You are going to fry your onion till it's translucent, a little bit just translucent, not too translucent. And you're going to add your blended pepper mix into the onion that is fried. Now give it a very nice stir. Just, don't do too much. Just give it a nice little stir and add your salt and seasoning. Then give it another stir again. Cover and let it cook till it's a little bit dehydrated. So the cook time for this was actually 10 minutes. The cook time right now that you guys are looking at is 10 minutes, and I just give it a very nice stir. Cover it and let it cook for another 7 minutes. And I'm adding my fish into the pepper. I'm just going to let my fish sit into it, and do not do too much stirring. Just push back and forth, because when you stir it, the fish is going to break up since it is boiled already. Then cover it and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Add parsley to garnish. Like I said, do not stir, just push back and forth. Decant excess oil. Voila, you have it right there. Catfish in pepper sauce. Top off with parsley. I'm just extra, guys. Oh my god, guys, that was great. Thank you for sticking by. I hope you try this recipe. I want to see your outcome by the time you try this recipe. Tag me in the comment section. Send me DMs with the pictures. Let me see what beautiful dish you have created. And if this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, once again, do not forget to like, share, subscribe with your friends and family. And thank you for always supporting my brand. I really love you guys, and have a nice one.